Welcome back, my friends.
We hope you had a great weekend, and here comes our new calendar. Woo! For June. This is our new June calendar.
That's June. I hurt myself, but it's fine.
Oh, Bella has a little boo-boo on her wrist. All right, well, yesterday was the last day of May, and so here is our new June calendar. We hope you like it. And Bella, are you going to sing our Days of the Week song today?
Wait,
or am
what
I
does
doing
that
it?
say?
That's Father's Day. We'll talk about that in a minute. But we have to sing our Days of the Week song first. Would you like to do that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then comes Saturday, then the week is over.
So yesterday was one of our weekend days, one of our family home days, which is called Sunday. Now today is Monday. Bella's got a little yawn going on. And the name of our new month is June. And a couple dates on the calendar to look out for. On June 18th, it's actually our last day of school. Oops, I forgot to finish our date part. Let's go back here. Silly mama. So when we read the date and it's the number 1, we don't say it's June 1th.
See, that was my boo-boo.
That's from your hair tie, yes. We don't say it's June 1st, we say it's June 1st. So let's practice reading the date all together. Today is Monday, June 1st. Okay, as I was saying, on June 18th, it's our last day of school, and then you are officially going to be first graders. Woo! Woo-hoo! And then on June 20th, even though our weather has been feeling like summer, June 20th will be the first official day of summer. And then June 21st is Father's Day, a day when you can recognize those dads for being fabulous. So let's count to see how many days after today until our last day of school. Here we go.
What's that?
That's the first day of summer. Let's do some counting. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 days till the last day. I know. Start with 17. Count on to the first day of summer. 17, 18, 19. And after, excuse me, Bella. That's, oops. No, thank you. And after 19 comes 20, and 20 more days it will be Father's Day. Now, in the month of May, we had 31 days, but in the month of June, there are just 30. So for our extra learning today at morning meeting, I found all of the learning videos about butterflies and caterpillars and life cycles, and now we thought we could think about insects. So for our last few weeks together, yeah, Bella, go ahead.
They crawl on leaves. They fly
through
the
air.
one. They even dig in the ground. Insects are practically everywhere. They live on every continent, including Antarctica.
What's that one?
Although they prefer to live in warm areas. You are probably familiar with some common insects like bees, ants, and butterflies.
Oh, that's cool.
But insects are the largest group of animals on Earth. Nearly 1 million species have been identified so far, and scientists estimate that there could be millions more just waiting to be discovered.
Ooh, that was that.
Insects are invertebrates, or animals that do not have backbones. In fact, insects do not have any bones at all. Instead, they have a hard outer shell called an exoskeleton that gives them their structure. Insects have 3 main sections of their bodies: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen.
Butterflies have head,
They
thorax,
have
and
6
abdomen.
legs that are connected to the thorax. Most insects also have wings and antennae. Although insects breathe air, they do not have lungs. Instead, they have a system of tubes and sacs through which air may pass or be pumped. This system can only carry air so far into the insect's body, and it is this that limits how large insects can grow. Although there are some very large insects on our planet, they cannot grow as large as other types of animals, because after a certain size they could not get enough air into their bodies to support themselves.
That's some pretty cool information that I never knew before.
Huh, that's
Right? Because of
interesting.
they don't have lungs, right? That it limits the size that they can grow.
I was going to get something.
Another interesting insect characteristic is their eyes. Insects have a special kind of eyes called compound eyes. Compound eyes are made up of hundreds or even thousands of tiny light-sensitive units. Each unit sees only a small part of the insect's surroundings, but all of them together create a mosaic image, a pattern of light and dark dots. Overall, insects do not see as well as humans do, and only some can see colors, but their eyes are excellent at detecting motion. Insects are cold-blooded, which means that they cannot control their body temperature. That is why insects usually live in warm places, and why you do not see as many insects during the winter as you do during the summer. To survive the cold, some insects enter a state called diapause, which is their version of hibernation, and will not become active again until warm weather returns. Insects hatch from eggs, and although some insects hatch as basically small versions of the adults of their species, others go through an incredible change before adulthood.
Do you remember what that big change might be called? Starts with letter M.
Migration.
Metamorphosis.
It is called metamorphosis, from a word meaning to transform. The most famous example of metamorphosis in insects is the butterfly.
Mm-hmm.
Butterflies begin their lives as caterpillars and spend a few weeks eating and increasing in size. Once they are fully grown, the caterpillars will attach themselves to the underside of a leaf or branch and form a pupa, or chrysalis. The chrysalis hardens into a protective case, and
I
over
can
the
see
next few
it.
weeks, the caterpillar inside transforms into a butterfly. When the butterfly is ready to emerge, the chrysalis splits open, but the butterfly cannot fly yet. It hangs upside down, pumping fluid into its wings to make them expand, and slowly opens and closes them to help them dry.
Is that eating?
Once its
Nope.
wings are ready,
It's just pushing
the
itself
butterfly
out.
takes off to find flowers to drink from. Eventually, it will lay eggs of its own, and the cycle starts all over again.
Snuggle.
Crawling or flying, alone or with thousands of friends, insects by the millions are incredibly
Wow.
important to life on Earth.
Come on, sister.
Some insects are beneficial to humans, while others are pests.
Whoa,
But
come
no
on,
matter their shape, size, or color, insects make a big difference for such small creatures. I hope this helped you learn more about insects today. Goodbye till next time.
Goodbye,
All
my
right.
friends.
Goodbye, Room 9 friends. Until
Well,
next
then,
time,
woohoo!
we'll say goodbye for now.
Oops, forgot his eye.
Oh, miss you very much. Bye, all.